Are you thinking about how to best care for your aging parents? It's a question many of us face, wanting to keep them close while still giving them the independence and dignity they deserve. What if there was a solution right in your own backyard? Imagine this: a beautiful, custom-built carriage house just steps away from your own home. It's not just an extra room. It's a complete private living space designed specifically for their needs. This is about creating a safe, accessible, and comfortable home where they can thrive. A space with its own kitchen, bathroom, and living area, offering them the perfect blend of privacy and proximity. You get the peace of mind knowing they're close by, and they get to maintain their cherished independence in a home built just for them. This isn't just a construction project. It's an investment in your family's future and well-being. But what does it take to make this a reality? You might be thinking it sounds complicated, expensive, or disruptive. That's where a professional design and build team comes in. We handle everything from the ground up, making the entire process seamless and stress-free for you. Our expert designers take these ideas and translate them into a functional and beautiful plan. We'll show you 3D renderings so you can see exactly what the finished carriage house will look like right in your own backyard. We work with you to select finishes and fixtures that match your style and budget, ensuring the new dwelling feels like a true home. Once the design is perfected, our skilled construction team takes over. We are licensed and insured professionals who pride ourselves on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. We manage all the permits, logistics, and construction, keeping you informed every step of the way. We understand that this is your home, and we work efficiently and cleanly to minimize disruption to your daily life. Our goal is to build a high-quality, durable, and beautiful structure that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. A structure that adds significant value to your property and, more importantly, enhances your family's quality of life for years to come. So, if you're looking for a way to keep your parents close, safe, and independent, a custom backyard carriage house could be the perfect solution. It is a thoughtful and practical way to adapt your home to your family's changing needs. Don't just wonder about the possibilities. Take the first step today. We offer a completely free, no-obligation estimate where we can discuss your vision, assess your property, and provide you with a clear and detailed proposal. Let us show you how we can professionally design and build the perfect home for your parents right in your backyard. Call us or visit our website to learn more.